Picture yourself in the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power liftgate, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.